And hello there again, the fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a PBandai exclusive from the HGCE or HG Cosmic Era. And yes, this is from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie. We have here a triple set of Black Knight Squad Rud Ro.A, which is the custom for Redalard, Daniel, and Liu. Yeah, so I'm not sure if this is the first time that PBandai has made a triple set, but previously they have twin sets like V8 and Mercurius, something like that. But this is the first time I'm seeing a triple set. So what we have here in the box art is, of course, the three Rud Ro.As. We have Redalard, we have Daniel, and Liu in the foreground, and in the background here we can see the Arbalest one, Griffin Arbalest costume, which is the green one. So yep, that is what is in the box art. And off to the side we see it here one by one, the information about Redalard, Daniel, and of course with Liu. So I think the theme of the Rud Ro.A is this is emerald, sapphire, garnet, and spinel, something like that. Anyways, let's take a look what's inside the box. So first off, we see one bag with three sprues, three identical sprues actually. And yep, actually most of the bag here is three identical sprues, identical in such a way that they are the same as the original Rud Ro.A, or the normal release Rud Ro.A, while this one has bags of three of those parts. Okay. Now after all those bags that are three of something, the only difference is this bag here, wherein this bag is differently colored from the Griffin Arbalest one, wherein instead of green this is orange. We have one here that is in pink, and lastly we have the one that is in blue. Yeah, and aside from that, of course, we have again three of the bean mantles, the bean capes here. And yeah, we have Griffin Arbalest instruction manual here. It's just the same, but they do provide another sheet here, which is for the three different Rud Ro.As. It's just basically telling us what are the parts of this. So yeah, like I said, there are most of it. Are three of each. Yeah, you see, three of each, three of each, three of each, three, except for these parts here wherein the colors are different as well as the stickers. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Okay, so first off we have the A sprue here, which is, as you can see, we are really getting three of each, but the A sprue is actually molded with different colors. So we have one here which is molded with some orange parts, another one that is molded with pink parts, and another one that is molded with blue parts here, so signifying the three different Rud Ro.As that is available in this kit, same as in the movie. Same with the regular release Rud Ro.A. Of course, we have the B sprue here, which is silver colored. Again, you have three of these guys. Yeah, so yeah, you're going to build three Rud Ro.As. So yeah. Of course, it has the C sprue here, same three of these, all black colored. We also have three of the D1s here. Again, we have three of the D2s. This one again, all black. We have some E1. Again, all black. Yeah. Sorry, not all black, three of each, and in gray color. A D2, an E2, again same, three of those in light gray color. We have 3 times of the saber effects, and of course we have 3 of the sticker sheets here, again with the significant or the same colors as the different parts of the ace brew, which is 1 in orange, 1 in pink, and 1 in blue. And yes, again, 3 beam mantles here. And lastly, of course, instead of having 3 of this manual, we just get 1 because it's just the same steps. You're going to do this 3 times. And yes, reason why I think they did this is because, you know, in the movie, these 4 guys went up against Shin Asuka in the Destiny Spec 2. Yep. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. This is actually a PBandai kit wherein you can really do an army build because you have 3 of those. And yeah, if you're unable to get this, actually the other alternative or option is to, you know, get 3 Rud Ro.As, you know, the Arbalest custom, and then from the 3 Arbalest custom you can just paint in the other color. So instead of green, you can paint in the blue. Instead of green, paint in the orange, or paint in the pink. Yeah, that is if you are up to customizing and stuff. Now, this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, hitting that notification bell, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, commenting, liking, and until next time, see you and thank you.